Greetings, I'm Dennis.T.C.S from the course TMF 1414 Group 9. Today, my group and I will be doing the programming project presentation. My group members are Anak Mil, Lim Kah Yee, Jee Peng Chai, and Maximus, Sebastian, Bateh, Anak Marim. So, in this era of technology, most tasks is performed by utilizing software, which is created by programming. And one of the most important aspects for software to function is the ability to store data in it. So, for it to happen, various functions and knowledge must be applied to ensure the program will run smoothly without bugs. Our objectives in this project is to design and develop a console program that receives input from the user and display the correct outputs. We should also apply modular programming to solve given problems effectively by using functions. We should also use appropriate derived data types to manage the data for the project. So, in this project, we are tasked to construct a console program to simulate a bus reservation system. The system is used to make reservation for a bus journey between Kuching, Syrian, and Kota Samarkand. The program should include at least 4 functions and several aspects such as array, data structures, pointer, and file operation to organize and store the data. And not only that, the program would need to be able to generate a receipt by the end of the booking and save a receipt as a text file. So, to complete the project, we wrote the program by implementing case switch and functions to perform tasks according to the selection made by the customer. The program was also implemented input validation so that the invalid input could be detected and it will allow the customer to remake their input again. The program is also made to be able to generate a receipt file that stores the booking details made by the customer. It is also able to display the booking details if the customer wishes to do so, provided if previous booking has been made. Now, let us look on the flowchart, and I will pass this to Daniel.
Greetings everyone, my name is Anak Mil and I am here to show you guys the flowchart that is made by our group. So, this is the flowchart that we're able to come up with based on the program that we write. As we know, the flowchart help us to visualize what is going on in the program, as well as to understand better about the process. As you can see here, there are many processes that involving in our program. So, by having the flowchart, it helps us to understand better about the program that we write. Not only that, the flowchart also helps us to fix the problems that we encounter as soon as possible. Also, by having the flowcharts, it helps us, other people which is not programmer, to understand about the process or the program that we create. Last but not least, I want to thank all my team members for giving their ideas to create these flowcharts. That's all from us. Thank you.
Hello and good morning to everyone. My name is Maximus Bateh Anak Mil Marim, and today I will present about the pseudocode bus reservation system from our group. When we start our programming, it will display about the main menu choices. When customer choose number 1, it will display about the seat details. When customer choose number 2, it will make the reservation for our customer. For number 3, it will display about the transaction details of our customer's reservation. For number 4, it will cancel the booking of our customer's reservation. For number 5, the customer will exit the system. If main menu input number 1, the output will show the seat details menu in table form. If the main menu input is 2, the customer will start making reservation. First, it will display about the transaction number if the customer first time make booking in the system, and it will display the package number, which is the first package of the customers made. And then the customer will input the seat choice, which is either premium seat or normal seat, and then it will display the selected seat choice by customer. And customer will be asked to input packages choice that are desired, which is either at A, adult business, B, adult economy, C, kid business, or D, kid economy. After that, it will display the selected package choice. After that, customer will be asked to input amount of seats reserved, and then the system will display amount of seats reserved by the customers. Next, the customer will be asked to input if they need food and drink or not. Either they input yes or no. If the input is yes, the customer will input the amount of food and drink they need. And after that, the system will ask the customer to input if they need more foods and drink or not. And this system is optional. If the input is yes, the customer will add more food and drink into the first program. If the input is no, the system will display and ask a customer if they want to add another package, or if the input of the first question that the customer need food and drink is N, which is from here, the system also will display the customer and ask if another package is needed, which is either yes or no. If the input is yes, the process of the system will repeat from input seat choice, which is from package number, and the process will repeat until maximum package is reached, which is 3. If the input is N, which is another package is needed, the choice is no. The system will ask the customer to add if they want to add another transaction or no. If the input is yes, repeat process main menu 2. If the input is N, save the transaction details in the filing receipt.txt, and then the customer will return to main menu. Then, if the main menu input is 3, the system will open and read file receipt.txt, and then it will generate and display the transaction details in receipt.txt. After that, return to main menu. Finally, subsequently, if the main menu input is 4, when the customer chooses 4, the system will generate transaction details in receipt.txt. After that, it will automatically delete the transaction details from file receipt.txt. After that, the customer will return to main menu. If main menu input is equal to 5, the customer will exit the system and will display "Thank you for using our reservation system," and the customer will exit the program. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.
So basically this is our code, and it consists of one main function and 4 void function. So for the main function, we have using do while loop, so that while the users enter the phone number, it will call the user to enter the number again. So if the users enter number 1, the page will proceed to seat details. If the user enters number 2, it will proceed to the page of ticket booking. If the user enters number 3, we will proceed the page to transaction details. If the user enters number 4, it will proceed to cancel booking. And for number 5, it will exit the booking system. So for the seat details, in order for it to work, we have using for loop to create it in the form of table. So this is the code how we create it. So after that is the bus reservation booking. First, the user need to select the seat type, the destination, the package, and the number of seats, followed by the order of food and drink. So in order for the bus reservation booking works, we have used nested for loop, go-to statement, switch statement, do while loop, for loop, if and if-else statement. Besides, we also use fprintf function and fclose function. So basically, this is the code that we have created. And fprintf function is used to write formatted data into a file called cfpdl. Next, for booking detail, first of all, we have created a file pointers called cfpdl. Then the fopen function will open a file for reading only, and if the file fails to open, it will return a null. Then it will print booking record is not found on screen. Else, while the integer value are not returned as EOF at the end of the file, then it will print booking details on screen and close the file that is being pointed by file pointers cfpdl. Next, for clear booking, first of all, we also created a file pointers called cfpdl. Then fopen functions open a file is just for writing, and if the file fails to open, it will return a null. Then it will print error encountered on screen. Else, it will close the file that is being pointed by file pointers cfpdr to clear the user's booking. So that's it for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Lim Kah Yee and I'm going to show you how our code works. First, we launch the program by pressing the F11 key. So, this is the main menu of our bus reservation system. As you can see, clear and tidy. There are 5 options here. One is to display the seat details. 2 until 4 is for booking operations, and 5 is for existing the program. Let's say I mispressed a button that's not in the options here. For example, I press 6. Embedded input, please try again. Okay, let's try again. Now, I'm going to view the seat detail. So I press 1. So here are the seat reservations details. Every single details has been displayed here. So, package type, seat type, destinations, and their corresponding prices. Next, I will be giving you a scenario. So, for example, now I want to book ticket. So here we can pick the package we want. This feature allows us to book maximum 3 types of package per transaction. So for the first transaction, I wanna choose premium seat. My hotel book is near Kuching town, so I choose the destination Kuching. And now package selection. So I'm traveling with my family, including my parents and my younger brother aged 10. So we decided to choose economy seat as it is cheaper compared to business seat. So I press B here. Adult economy. So there are 3 adult here. I put 3. So here asking whether should I order food and drink for the trip. Well, yes. I would like to order 3 food and 3 drinks. Do you want to add more? No. I suppose these are enough for 3 adults. So do you want to add another package? Yes, for my brother. So same premium seat, same destination, and now I'm gonna choose package C for my brother, as he never have a chance to try out business seat. So here comes the opportunity. 1. Do you want order food and drink? Yes, please. 1 food and 1 drink. Thank you. Do you want to add more? No. Another more package? No. So here we'll display the total amount of the ticket and add-ons. Oh, I just remember my friends come with me. So I guess I'll make another reservation for them with the same destination Kuching. Okay. Send normal seat for them. Kuching. Package. So in terms of package, adult economy will be the option. So I press B here. Adult economy. 2 of them will accompany me, but they will bring their own food and drink. So I won't choose any for them. Let's press no. Do you want to add a package? Yes. Because my another friend will want to visit his relative live in Syrian. So normal C as well. Destination I put Syrian. And other economy. 1 person only. Food and drink? No. Since he's a gritty man. So do you want to add another package? No. So here is the total price, including the first and second transactions. So do you want to add another transaction? No. Okay, we're back to the main menu. So we press 3 to view the transaction details. Actually, this receipt will be automatically converted into a text named receipt. Let me show you where it is. So here it is. Exactly same as shown in the booking section. What if I want to cancel the booking just now? So here I input 4. The details of booking has been cleared. Now we go back to 3 again. The record of the booking just disappeared. and saw the content in the proceed text. Here, I show you again. See, disappear. Okay. Lastly, we exist the program. Thank you for using this bus reservation system. That's all for me. Thank you.
And that's pretty much everything from us. In this project, we have learned it's not easy to write a program without it facing any issues and just run smoothly. Writing a program is not an easy task, and the most challenging things that we have faced in this project is the generating the receipt part. Originally, we could not have done it, but then we restudied the whole file operation part, and then we discovered the way to do it. And I would like to thank my team members for making this work. If without them, this would not have been done. It is because of them that we are able to do this smoothly and complete everything in time and make sure everything works fine. And that's all from us. Thank you.